To download the Whoop Charge, you need to have a Whoop membership and a compatible device. First, ensure your device is connected to the internet and you have the latest version of the Whoop app installed. Open the Whoop app and navigate to the Settings menu by tapping on the profile icon. From the Settings menu, select the My Whoop option and then click on Accessories. Choose the Whoop Charge from the list of available accessories and click on the Download Firmware Update button. The app will then guide you through the download process and provide you with instructions on how to complete the installation. During the download process, ensure your device remains connected to the internet and the Whoop Charge is properly paired with your device. It is also important to note that the download process may take a few minutes to complete depending on your internet connection speed. Once the download is complete, the app will notify you and provide you with instructions on how to install the update on your Whoop Charge. Follow the instructions carefully to ensure the update is installed correctly. It is also recommended to restart your device after the update is installed to ensure the changes take effect. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully download the Whoop Charge and keep your device up to date with the latest features and improvements. It is always a good idea to regularly check for updates to ensure you have the latest version of the firmware installed.